us revise more about Roman numerals. We also use Roman numerals in clocks and watches. Here are the letters used to write the number. I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. Roman numerals. 3 rules for writing the Roman numerals. 1. Rule of repetition. 2. Rule of addition. 3. Rule of subtraction. One by one. Rule 1. Rule of repetition. 1. When a symbol is repeated twice or twice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. For example, M is equal to 1000. M is equal to 1000 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2000. M is equal to 1000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3000. Rules 2. Symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. For example, 1 I, 2 double I, 3 triple I. But we cannot write 4 as I. Rule of repetition. Symbols V, L and D are never repeated. These symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated.
We do not write the number 10 by repeating V, but we can write as X. Now let us look about the second rule. Rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Xi. X has a value of 10 and I has a value of 1. So that Hindu Arabic number for this Roman number is 11. Finally, we had the third rule.
Rule of subtraction. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value.
Xc. X is equal to 10 and C is equal to 100. Xc is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to 19. Rule third. Rule of subtraction. The symbol V dot L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. 95 is equal to 100 minus 5 is equal to VC. 95 should be written as 19 plus 5 is equal to XCV. Rule 3. Rule of subtraction. I, X and C are used to subtract. There are just 6 combinations. IV is equal to 5, minus 1 is equal to 4. Ix is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. XL is equal to 15 minus 10 is equal to 14. XC is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to 19. CD is equal to 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. CM is equal to 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900.